If you're looking for a VPN, you've heard of Surfshark. It's famous for being one of the best value VPNs on the market. But the real question for 2025 is it actually fast enough, secure enough, and truly the best deal you can get? I've used it, I've tested it, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion, reveal their top features, and show you the one link that gets you the maximum discount. The killer feature, unlimited connections. Let's start with the one feature that no other major VPN offers, unlimited devices. Seriously, buy one subscription and you can secure your laptop, your phone, your tablet, your smart TV, your router, and every device of every person in your house, all at the same time. If you have a family or just a lot of gadgets, this feature alone makes Surfshark unbeatable value. Speed and security, more than just a budget pick. Now on to performance. Just because it's budget-friendly doesn't mean it's slow. Surfshark has fully adopted the modern WireGuard protocol, which means speeds are incredibly fast, perfect for streaming, gaming, and large downloads without buffering. On the security side, they offer a strict no-logs policy that has been independently audited, proving that they do not track or store your online activity. Your privacy is protected. The essential toolbox of features. Surfshark doesn't just give you a connection, they give you a toolkit. CleanWeb. This is a fantastic feature that acts as a built-in ad, tracker, and malware blocker. You get a cleaner, faster browsing experience without needing extra software. Bypasser, or split tunneling. This allows you to choose exactly which apps or websites use the VPN connection and which don't. Great for keeping your banking app on your local IP while streaming overseas content through the VPN. No borders mode. If you live in or travel to heavily restricted regions, this mode helps you bypass internet censorship and maintain connection freedom. The payoff, how to get the best VPN deal. Surfshark is already a great price, but there is one specific way to get the absolute lowest price plus free extra months added to your plan. You need to use the exclusive promotional link. I've dropped that discount link right at the top of the description below. If you click it now, the maximum possible saving will be automatically applied at checkout, saving you a significant amount on the subscription. Final verdict and call to action. Surfshark VPN is not just good, it's the best value VPN on the market because it delivers top-tier speed and security for unlimited devices at a fantastic low cost. To protect every screen in your life and grab this exclusive low price, click the link in the description now. You get a full 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is zero risk in trying it out. Stay safe, stay private, and enjoy the internet with total freedom.